Gross! What's happening, guys? If you didn't figure it out yet, I'm teaching myself how to TIG weld, cause why not? Say, hey, my name's Ed. This is Ed at Customs. That's how much I know about TIG welding. Okay, that's not completely true. I know a little. Not completely true. I watched the Fabrication series. Even though I don't know how to TIG weld, I like to throw awkward angles in there and shit to make it like real life. Ha! We started here yesterday. Oh, focus. Well, actually, we started on some flat plate. Then we upgraded to the tube. And this is me still procrastinating on the wiring, which is what this video is actually going to be about. Well, crap, guys. Crap. Looking all over the place for the dash for my car, the instrument cluster. Because I need it. So I can do wiring stuff. Don't know what I did with it. Frickin'. I've moved so much stuff around in the shop the past few weeks. Holy cow. I don't know where anything is anymore. Really? Smaller than 4 frickin' millimeter? To the truck. Come on, I'd rather be in the shop. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Metric 3 frickin' millimeter. We're getting rid of this steering wheel. We need the hub. I pulled on it, moving the car, or just you know, pulling on the car and steering it from outside the car. And yeah, it cracked it. All whatever this material is. I don't know, but it's all cracked. I don't like it. Must edit. And the fire spinners are already stripped. Crazy. Wow. Don't tell the Matt guy. Really? Find something to jam in there. Oh, cross your fingers, guys. Got it. Wow. Let's hope we don't have to do that again. What? No way. Woo, that one worked. Gonna need some new hardware. Make a little better quality hardware. The hub adapter works great. Huh. Too many tools out. I think I'm done with this. There's too many tools out. Oh, I know where that is. It's not missing. It's in my head. That could be worse. It's worse than missing, Ed. You forgot about it. Aw, man. I just freaking got that one. Tape measure. I'm not even going to tell you guys what I'm doing. You can just figure it out. I wouldn't want to talk too much. Oh man, that's good. That's good. Woo! Woo! Good girl, Piper. Hey, hey, sit. Up. Keep back. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Piper. Good girl. Oh. Yeah, right out of the oil. Good for you. Love that dog. I gotta do some battery charging. Stand by. It'd be more appropriate if I had oxyacetylene for the A-Team theme. Uh-oh. She's a little wonky, I think. Oh yeah. Shit, I'm way off my mark. Ah! What happened? Wrong way around. Boy howdy, I hate building circles. Let's put it in the car and spin her around. Yeah. Oh, it needs to go that way. Cut her out. Cut it out. Okay, might have to build a jig. Stand by. There's hardware. Nope. That hardware is horrible. Go check it out. Oh man, I don't have my seat in the car. Yes. I like it. I think I'll keep it. Alrighty. Weld it. I touched the tip, but only the tip. Should have more than one tungsten ready. Let's try not to do that anymore. Well, let's hope I do better on the front. Woo, much better so far. Much better. Still glad it's the back. Gonna let her cool down. Take 5, hit subscribe. Or I'll take 5, you hit subscribe. Oh, I got this one. I get my money's worth out of this one. Alright, let's see what we can do. Well, I guess that's gonna have to work. Ew, my colic. God, I'm gonna have to look at that. Son of... Well, that side's better. Ah! Well, guys, the TIG welding is going to take some more practice, but I got the practice. I don't know where the hell my gauge cluster is for my car. Gonna have to find it or go to the pick and pull. Multi-purpose hammer steering wheel. Yeah, keep watching. Thank you for all the new subscribers. It's unbelievable to me. I'm just some dude with a garage. I just build things. The other wheel, this one. Not cutting it. Better.